I'm just going to need a good whippersnip as well. So just whippersnip it first. I've already done it on the front. Yeah, but yeah, get it before, a little bit before, and I'll get them after. Alright, so I'll just do a bit of filming of mowing. I was just going to do before and after, but I thought, oh well, I'll film one. Blower out.
Toxic love, look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me.
Oh, I just got a phone call, so that cut off the last bit of that mowing. But now I'm going to get the blower out. Blower, to fix everything. That song "Taking Care of Business" just come to mind. Anyway, that looks neater. Everywhere, gardens and everywhere. I'll just put this board back. The trailer wheels were sitting on it. Nice long hedge, and we just trim both sides on the top. There. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to be mowing this, and I'm going to need a ride on for this one because it's got pretty long, I must say. There we go, it looks much more normal now. A lot of grass come off there. Sometimes you just got to make a few adjustments. I use a water bottle to keep the back flap up, and I've got a rubber glove in the front of there to keep the side flap up, because the grass is too thick. So I'll show you how it's working. just weeding these rocks, and I'm gonna top them up after the weeds are gone for the first job. Weeded the front. I'm just going to go down this side, get all them out. Bag of rocks here, stones, pebbles. Now we're going along here. Just got to scatter them all over. Good. Made a difference. Made a good difference with just a small bag of stones. Down in there. Balance it out a bit. Just makes it looking sort of fresh. Beautiful. Anyway, now I've got to mow the lawn. Took a fair bit of work to get that down. Just get a before shot from here, standing just in front of here, so it looks the same when I finish. There we go. Now I'll use the push mower, see what I can do. There we go. Mow down as short as I can anyway. Hey, you little buggers, what are you doing to each other? All the grass clippings, and they love these sour thistles. Look at that turkey go. You like all that, don't you? I love the grass. Whoa, we got a crazy. What are you doing? Just going running through the middle of them. Absolutely nutcases, these roosters. The naked-necked roosters. Yeah, getting rid of that one, are you? What are you doing, man? You're just running through there like a mammoth. He's on a mission. Not sure what. Oh, they're playing chases with the guinea fowl. I see. The guinea fowl. Look at him. They're playing chases. Whoa. Hey, what are you doing? What's going on over? Oh, I see. You're crazy. They get all hyped up. They're getting all hyped up, Lena. They're just going nuts. That naked-necked rooster's just running through there like a streaker. Oh, there's Crazy Duck, my favourite. What are you doing, Crazy Duck? That's Crazy Duck, the one bobbing up and down for no real reason. What are you doing, Crazy Duck? Just doing a staring competition. Crazy Duck. You crazy duck. What the hell? They're coming out of the trees now. Oh, I think I might have gone a bit nuts. What the hell? This is getting weird. They're all just going hypo. Maybe it's me. What do you reckon, Crazy Duck? You got a friend now. Alright. Quick, quick. Standing watching them for hours, I reckon. Very entertaining. Oh, that one's helping herself out of the bucket over there. Look at that. You alright over there? Sure you got enough? That's a big meal. So I'll get to it.